Hey guys, I am back with another video and I'm going to make slime. So yeah. So there, I put my glue in. Now I just saw it in the other video. I made cloud slime, and it does not work with me, to let y'all know. Okay? Does not work. I'm mixing it with my hand. Now adding the activator. And as y'all see my cheer uniform over there. I had to wear my school uniform. My school cheer outfit to school. Yeah. But still, I have to wear extra clothes. Turn on the extra. Okay, this time, oh my god, it's actually activating really fast. Okay, there you go. Activated it. Walmart.
Where did you go?
Because I had to take care of Alana.
What are you making?
Loud slime.
Gross. Dang, you already messed up your floor.
Victor's bringing me more slime. I mean, glue.
Did they just leave?
No. Awkward. Okay. Okay, there you go. Just need a little bit more activator. Well, I am going to be back with y'all and it is ready. As y'all can see, it is ready.